Final heat of qualifying about to take flight. Oof, we made it. Here we go. Arm your quads, live on the tone, less than 5. We talk about stress levels. Delta just emailed me my boarding pass. That's always a good sign. At that point of the weekend. Last chance here for this final group. The Lumineers action. Creed 6 with a 55-1, Beater Fuse with a 56-4. First and second, look how close they are. Working their way to that back right-hand corner. Creed 6 leading Beater Fuse. Ish. 40 seconds still to go. $15 seconds remaining here on the Master Race Clock. Making memories. The 2019 Collegiate Drone Racing Championship qualifying rounding up ahead of that break. Big administration section where our team goes to work building those final races. Blade to blade, double elimination. As we get set to crown the championship, start talking about those team points, the Hydra FPV app, and so much more. That is coming up as this one wraps up. 2 laps in 2:04 for Quad Addiction FPV. That's looks like a personal best. It has been 24th, 2 to finish up. That was doing FPV. I was watching. He's back up, trying to round this one out. And, ooh, that was a massive crash for Creed 6 on lap number 6. He's in 18th, which means he's going to advance, I think. Well, that's on his pace. Oof, we'll see how this all plays out. Everyone down. Let's retrieve some quads.